Hey everyone, Erin again, Rusty Hinge Designs. I just finished my Avengers superhero inspired background, as you can see over here. My Iron Man background, and I have some extra paint. Actually, I have quite a bit of extra paint. So I'm gonna just take this small canvas and just do a dirty pour with all the colors and see how it comes out. Because you don't want paint to go to waste, and I got some really cool colors in here. So I'm gonna just take a little bit of white, put it on the bottom there, and then just start layering. This is red or crimson from Artist Loft. This is carrot from Target. It's called Handmade Modern, I think. They have some really cool paints at Target if you ever happen to go in their crafts area. This is just gold from Craftsman. Then I'm going to do a little bit of copper. This is actually called New Penny from Homemade Target. And then just a straight up brown from Craftsman. Just kind of adds a little depth. I'm not a huge fan of brown, but it definitely helps darken up a light color palette. So like I said, I'm just using up the paint I have left from my main pour, main project. So I don't have like a ton of paint left, which is good because this canvas is tiny. And I'm sure this is actually more than enough paint already. But I want some layers. Just gonna do a teensy bit of white. And a teensy bit of black. Just to break up the monotony. Alright. For some reason I have a lot more gold than I do any other color. Oh, and a lot more of the New Penny. I really like my metallics, apparently. And I always overdo it with those. Alright. Let's see if I have any of this red. Not really. What I can take. I'm wondering if I should do the upside down, or should I just straight up pour it all over the place? I'm thinking upside down. I haven't done one of those in a while. It's a very dark color. Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna go upside down. I'm just gonna do it. Alright, here we go. Just give it a moment to all go down. I'm gonna wipe off my sticks. We always reuse our sticks. Because it's just, what's the point of it dries off in a day? And then you have perfectly good stick. I usually let my cup sit for a moment. Just kind of allow all the colors to come down. I've done it where I've literally just pulled it and I feel like I might have missed out on some of the color that was left in the cup. So now I just kind of let it wait. Alright. So I'll keep my white on hand in case I need to spread it, but I truly don't think I'm going to need to spread it. I think it will do its own thing. As you can see, we also have a silicone mat underneath, which is collecting our paint samples. We like to make jewelry out of these, the leftover paint. So it's a good way to not waste all that extra paint that's going to probably come off of this canvas once I'm done. Hopefully it comes out as a cool pattern and colors and stuff. Sometimes it doesn't look super nice and you just don't want to keep it. But I don't know if you can see, like over here, we have from a previous pour some cool colors. Alright, here we go. Ready? Ooh. All sorts of stuff happening in there. Just want to get my corners with all the paint that's coming out still. A lot of cell action happening. Almost looks like 70s. I don't know why, like shag carpeting and all sorts of weird stuff. So there's the inside of my cup. Looks interesting. I would have anything, I would say the least. I'm just gonna put it upside down here and let it kind of span out. Alright. I'm gonna put some heat to it, get some cells to pop up, some bubbles to pop. Good. Oh yeah, more cells are happening there. Not sure if I like this color, this whole situation happening. We'll see when it spreads out. I'm moving a lot of copper over here. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. I don't know if I'm liking this. This is a little bit muddled, in my opinion.